Okay, so we can come up with a general formula to find the distance between 2 points. So if I've got a general point A here, and I say general point because A could be anywhere on a coordinate grid, okay? So we'll give it this coordinate x1, y1, okay? And another point, B then, different coordinates, so we call it x2, y2. If we want the distance between them, we can use, said, Pythagoras theorem to work out that distance. And the key is first of all determining what this length is here of side BC, okay, and what this length is here of side AC. Once I've got those two sides, I can then work out the length of the third side using Pythagoras' theorem, okay? So, first of all, let's think about how long this side is here. And of course, this side here is just the gap between x1 and x2, okay? The difference between these two. So to work out that length, I just need to do x2 take away x1, don't I? Okay? Right, it's the difference between those two. And the same then for this length here, this height, it's the difference between y2 and y1 here, yeah? So it'd be like y2 take away y1. So sometimes it's best just to think in terms of numbers. You know, if this was 8 and this was 3, the gap would be 5, wouldn't it? If that was 8 and 3, because you would do 8 take away 3, and it gives you the gap of 5. But of course, for general values here, you do this take away this, y2 take away y1. So with Pythagoras theorem then, remember you've got to square this side, okay? So that will be x2 take away x1. So we put it in a bracket to show then, in order to square it, okay? So you square that length. We also square this length, y2 take away y1. And of course, remember, then you add them. So you add the squares of both sides here. Okay, once you've added the squares of both sides, you've then got to, whatever that solution is, you've got to square root it to work out the longer side, the hypotenuse side. So this will be our general formula for this length here. Of course, this length we will call AB, okay? Just joining A to B. So this is what we've got to remember, okay? We're going to memorize this. We're going to use it extensively throughout this course.